Hi, I'm Andrew Barker. This is Modern Shakespearean Sonnet 196, Within the Watchtower. You hold the cold bowl to your swollen lips and shiver. There is storm outside the door and warmth within this room. She promises you only this, it won't be like before. The coating smell of caramel descends as vision warms, and stronger than the night you stand before the dark to make amends for all the coming rain cannot put right. For rain is coming, rain will come to drench your world of all your apathy, and soon, and rain will come as bullets' stomachs clenched. A gut-shot lover rolls within the room. But when was this? So long ago, but how? You roar and then the wind begins to howl. Thank you. That was Sonnet 196, Within the Watchtower.